Hi dude, today we're going to see a nice emoji, a man with a mask. Alright, so I used a compass to draw the circle previously. You can use other instruments if you like. The circle is good, so the drawing is going to be nice. Alright, now we're going to draw the freehand drawing for this scale, for this emoji. First, let's put the mask here. That's why we're going to draw a rectangle in this part. This is the main body of the mask. It's a graphical presentation, so the drawing is going to be like this. Now we can draw the ribbons here, the two lines you can see. All right, and another ribbon here. This is going to the fairy of the circle, and also another ribbon here, and the ribbon is here. Okay, now we are going to use the marker to draw the bold lines which are on top. This is the eye. 2 minute lagbot. This is the eye. On top of it we are going to draw the eyebrow. Alright, so you can see this is easy. For the eyes part, if you like, you can do a little bit elaboration, like putting the middle stops here little bold and the corner little pointy. Also do the same expressions here. Okay, now we are going to put the color inside this bigger circle. Then the emoji is going to a complete drawing. Let's draw from our left side and fill up the whole spaces. Okay, now we are putting the color on top of the head of the people. As you can see easily from the expressions, the drawing with mask has become most people's favorite after the pandemic situations of the corona. You can see people learning this kind of mask drawing. Okay, all right. Alright, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much for watching. You can also browse through the playlist if you go through the channel and put your choices with the selection of different categories. So you can select the categories from the playlist. When you browse through the channel, that's possible. Alright, lots of options there. We have drawn so many things and so many items. So the selection is very important. You have lots of options. So as you can see that this drawing is very nicely done. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching. Have a good day.